Yeah.
Cute little house right here. There's your man, there's your pond guy right there. All right, let's get this turtle out of here. All right, here we go, let's feed him. He's still eating his shrimp. Look at that view.
Yeah, these are all poisonous.
Look at that view. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and some of them don't make it.
Must be a heron in the area.
I'm making it harder. There you go.
All right, so we're at Ed's house, right?
Yeah.
Cute little house right here. And this guy's retired?
Semi-retired.
Yeah, we stopped by here a year or two ago to visit him.
Really enjoys his pond.
There he is, right there. Look, he's waiting for us. Pond customers are cool customers. Well, good morning, sir.
Brian.
Good to see you, buddy. How you doing?
I'm doing good. Doing good.
There's your man, there's your pond guy right there. So we are out at Ed
And Kathy's.
and Kathy's. I came here a year ago, and do you still have the turtle?
I still have that turtle. He's getting big.
I love it. Let's go see this thing.
If you got brave enough to keep your fingers near his choppers. I did a water test, Jeff. You can check me out.
All right.
Look at that. That's a
that.
hobbyist for you.
You don't have to do that, right, Ed?
He's got to do something.
Turtles, koi, I see a couple goldfish in there too, huh? You like the shrimp.
Wow, you got already a blooming lily out there. Everything, the water looks great.
We have kind of a mini wetland filter up there, so two streams that flow into the pond into the one skimmer.
Yes.
Two pumps.
I fed him earlier.
So, what this is a classic hobbyist pond. I love the little koi cave that you have down there.
Yeah, and we have, here's a turtle here. And there's another cave that Jeff built in here.
Yeah, so they can just hide from predators, right?
Yeah, and we fought some predators. I can show you my herring deterrent system.
But you got to figure it out, huh?
Well, me and you're gonna figure it out, Brian. We're gonna market this thing.
Okay. Yeah, there's that beautiful lily, a little teacup lily. It looks like. And here comes the turtle, a little red ear slider. Look at him. Well, this is great. So once again, there's the filter. You cannot see it. So this is the biofalls up here that starts it, and all of those plants are a great filter. And you know, the rock is the outline right there, Jeff, on the edge.
Yeah, so rockers outline here, so we had to build this up, but yeah, built that up around. So this kind of mini wetland filter up here with the gravel.
Yep.
Water coming up through.
Look at the size of those horsetail.
We've got a biofalls on the other side.
Yeah.
We used to have a big maple tree in here.
Okay.
And ice storm brought big chunks of it down. It fell down on my columns, and we always wanted a water feature.
And that's how it all started,
That's
huh?
how we got started. We called Jeff, and he made me a deal.
How long ago was that? 3 years, you said?
About 3 years ago, 3 summers ago.
Maybe even 4, yeah.
Maybe four, yeah.
And how much work is this?
Once it's established, it's not that much. I mean, I come out here and in the morning with my coffee and grab some of this green algae out. I throw it in a bucket. It's really nothing. The fish take care of themselves. The pond has a balance to it.
Mm-hmm. It's an ecosystem.
And
then you do a once a year cleaning?
once a year.
Yeah, show me your deterrent for herons.
What I got is this is the trigger. You've seen these before.
Yes, the scarecrow.
Right. Now I've got a water pressure system that hooks up to that thing.
Yep.
That goes to a separate system over there with a 12-volt battery. So I got a motorcycle horn and a light.
I see it right there.
With anything we can come up with that runs on 12 volts, I can make this thing work.
Right. Yep, motion controlled.
My battery must be dead because that usually goes off.
Oh, you got two of them, huh? They both go off with one sensor and both go off. Look at that. The beautiful parrot's feather, once again softening the edges.
That's from Jeff's pond. He started me with the Jenny and the parrot's feather.
Yeah, the creeping Jenny on this side. And that's what's fun.
Jenny, yeah.
That's what's fun is that Jeff just transplanted a few of his plants over here. And now you've got this beautiful ecosystem water feature. And the fish are down there hiding in the cave right now. When that sprinkler came on, the fish went and hid.
Yeah.
They know. Must be a heron in the area.
I'm making it harder. Well, there you go.
That's a first. I've seen a lot of people try to deter blue heron from coming into their pond, but I have never seen a horn and a light.
It's enough to scare a pond guy.
If it scares a human, I'm sure it'll scare a bird.
Oh my God, all the fish are completely hidden. They know. When that...
I had chipmunk run across the top and it'll set it off.
Oh, that is hilarious. All right, let's get this turtle out of here. What do people that come over your yard and see this pond think?
Oh, they love it.
Yeah.
My mom and dad come over and, you know, they come over and they love it too.
All right, here we go. Let's feed them. Got him.
That's good, he's got some food in his mouth.
Boy, that's a healthy turtle.
I'm telling you, this is good food for him. Feed him a day.
He's still eating his shrimp. We fed him, grabbed him out of the thing. Ow! He's eating his shrimp. He's eating that up in the water. All right, let's let him go. Okay, so here he goes, putting them back in. Watch this guy take off. So cool. Woo! Boom. Love it. Well, thanks for letting us enjoy your beautiful piece of paradise, buddy.
Thank you very much, Greg. And I no regrets.
Amen.
And I've had this now for 4 years. It was money well spent.
Awesome. Good to hear it. Love it. Well, I will give you a hug.
Find everything okay?
He had his what, Fruity Pebbles, Paul? What'd you eat last
Some
night?
Lucky Charms I found in there.
Lucky Charms. I had my coffee and my bagel, and I was good. But I was good.
Perfect.
What a
I didn't realize there was 3 of you.
What? Well, we only have him and I, and then
This is just,
yeah. So what a beautiful little setting you have here.
thank you.
My gosh, I woke up and the first thing I saw was that lake view.
I know. You know, you actually have a better view at the little house. We call that the little house.
Uh-huh.
You have a better view at the little house than we have off our porch.
So how long have you had the pond? Because Jeff retrofitted it with some aquascape system. So
Oh, yeah.
He didn't build it, so it's been there for a
No,
while.
he didn't build it. It's been there about 8 years.
Uh-huh.
But Jeff, you've been working on it for
Yeah,
5 years.
adding things
5,
every,
6,
you
yeah.
know, new filter,
Yeah.
pumps.
What's interesting is you live on the water and yet you still have a pond, and
You know,
why is that?
because I love it. I tell everybody that I come out here to just ponder
Yes.
at my pond.
Yes.
I just love it. It's so peaceful out here.
I would.
So I just love it. Jeff drove up the other day, and he says, it's so nice to see you enjoying your pond. All I think you do is work at your pond, but I don't.
So how much maintenance is the pond?
It's not a lot of maintenance.
Yep.
Jeff put in, what is that thing that,
Pressure filter?
Dosing system? Or
that dosing system
Uh-huh.
that he put in? That gives a lot less maintenance.
Looking good. The water's good.
Yeah, the water looks clear to me. I mean,
We got a lot of tadpoles down here.
Look at the mondo grass.
watch where you're going.
It is
Yeah.
bulking over the cracks.
It's all over the
There's
ground.
frogs everywhere.
Little baby
I was gonna.
Tiny frog.
No, the little toads. They're
Yeah,
toads.
they're everywhere.
Look at that.
Do ya?
Yeah, and some of them don't make it and they dry up on the rocks, see?
Oh, really?
That one's
no,
alive.
no, that one's alive. It's
Yeah.
becoming a baby toad.
Yep.
Yep, there he goes.
Do you ever get to lay the eggs that are in a string?
Oh yeah.
Oh, my
Isn't
gosh.
it fun?
They lay up to
I
30,000 eggs.
Love it.
It's an ecosystem. This is an ecosystem pond. Look at that view.
Yeah, these are all poisonous.
Look at
smells.
that view. So there's where we stayed last night. There's your main house. And how long have you lived in this beautiful setting?
2005, since 2005.
So 13 years.
Yep.
Well, that is gorgeous. Yep, and we love your upper deck, although Paul thinks if you get drunk, you'll fall off into the water.
Top one down to the dock?
Yes,
Oh,
Party
yeah.
deck.
the
Yeah.
party deck. So Jeff, show me the pressure filter, because this is a bit unusual to have a pond without a biofalls this big.
Let's run back, so we'll take a walk.
I see this is where the discharge is right here.
No, that's the other filter that I have before Jeff.
Oh
and I
yeah,
just
look at
never
that.
Took it down.
So that's good. So that's a very traditional way. So a biofalls is actually in the unit in the waterfalls, and there's a traditional box filter that sits alongside the pond and then just discharges back into the pond.
Yep.
So
And
normally
then
you
there's
see
the
it,
other
you don't want to see ours, and then back there is an aquascape pressure filter that Jeff added to it, and then you can just back flush that right
Yep.
there.
Yep.
That's it. Wow.
He comes over, he just drops by every once in a while giving me helpful hints. Like last year he told me to put stuff in, like plant stuff in the waterfall.
Yep. To soften up the rock work.
I've got 2 things that I planted
Yeah.
this year. That's all just mint.
Well, very nice. Well, thank you for your hospitality. See, pond customers are just cooler customers. So, never met them before. They let us stay for free in their beautiful lake house out here. And they just got a nice little water garden that she gets to enjoy. And this was, hey, is this living or what, my man?
Insane.
Look at this. Look at that party
I'm
deck.
on my phone in front of a giant lake where I could be doing much more, but
This is so cool. Hey, if you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe, and follow along as we showcase how people live, not just the aquascape lifestyle,
how clean this water is. It's crystal clear blue.
yep, but the lake lifestyle. What a great day with Jeff.